Hey guys, this is Lars Pearson here at MarineMax Ship Bottom, New Jersey. I'm standing on this brand new 38 GLS outboard we just got. Standing back here on the swim platform. This thing's powered by 3 Mercury 300 V8s on the back. Right now we're in the skyhook, so we're just hanging out here. Boat's just holding itself in position while we're going through this boat for you on this nice day out here on the bay. Back here you'll notice right here you have a storage area for your shore power cord, and this is also where your shore power hookups are. The swim platform has great access across here, and this is due to the flip-up platform right here to give you more walking space, where most other boats, they'll eliminate that, and then you got a couple inches to walk by. So I can walk freely across here, even have multiple people passing each other. Nice little platforms that also extend off the back sides too, so great for docking when you're getting on and off the dock here. You got a nice rear-facing seat. Awesome setup here. This flips. What's great about this is when we're not in skyhook, when we're anchored up, engines are off, you drop this platform down and you got this beach platform. So kids can jump off the side of the boat, you have more room to walk around, entertain, and also face all the action that's happening at the sandbar. Then when I switch this back forward, you have a nice forward-facing seat for when we're running up here in the cockpit. Got an L-facing seat here, another L-facing seat on the starboard side. Storage under a lot of these seats, it's great. Up here on the port side, you have a galley area. We're gonna have a nice Kenyan grill. 2 refrigerators in the cockpit of this boat. So here's one. There's actually one under the helm seat too. Nice wood accented cabinetry. Great storage area under there. Cup holders all throughout this boat. Nice sink, wash your hands, clean out some cups, all that sort of thing. Now up here at the helm, got a nice Italian steering wheel on this thing, your Mercury controls, like I said, joystick piloting, we're in skyhook right now. Twin Mercury screens, I got one with chart and depth finder, and then you have your Mercury gauges here. So all through the screens, all your switching's here. This boat has an engine hatch that's actuated, so that entire back seat lifts up and gives you great access. You'll see in the photos that we have online. Everything's nice and cleanly laid out, your generators down there, your seacocks. 2, you'll notice, as I'm standing here, I'm under this large hardtop. It's nice black. We'll cut that glare down from the sun coming off the water. This one has a retractable roof here, so as you see, all the sun's coming in. So on these days, you get the sun in here. You know, if you don't want the sun, you can close it as well. And then also has a retractable shade that goes off the back of this boat on top of that. You'll see too, my cameraman is sitting on some bar stools. When I switch over to this side, he'll get a good glimpse of this. This way, you can entertain here and be able to have a lot of people in this social zone and joining the conversation. No one's left out on this boat. Before I take you up to the bow, I'm gonna jump down into the berth and show you a couple of the features down there as well. All right, I'm down here in the berth of this 38 GLS. As you can see, there's a ton of headroom here. I'm 6'2", and I got room to spare walking around down here. You have a nice area for eating some lunch, some dinner down here, getting out of some of the elements. You can run the air conditioner. This also drops down as a V-berth, and underneath in the mid-cabin there is a nice sized bed down there to sleep overnight on. And you could definitely do that on this boat because you have a full stand-up head compartment. Got a nice sink in there, nice viewing port out the side that also opens up. Mirrors, cabinetry, good lighting, and a nice ceramic head. Also here on the port side in this berth, we have a TV, another refrigerator, so you could bring a ton of food on this boat for the weekend. You know, you got 3 refrigerators to store that stuff in, and then also a microwave down here too. So, you know, when you want to warm anything up, if you're not going to grill it, you can heat it up in the microwave. So after this, I'll take you up to the bow and show you what's up there. So after I showed you the cabin down here, I'll walk up to the bow with you. There's a port side walkthrough. This is what gives you the space down below. And also you'll notice too how high this height is on the gunnels here. You know, when you're riding up in the bow, you're gonna be inside the boat, be nice and safe, and then you do have some nice grab handles here. Your windshield closes off and you have a wind door, so those colder days. You'll notice too as you walk up here, there are some gunnel storage here. They're pretty deep and pretty large. It's kind of deceiving, so that's a great place for dock lines or really anything. Up here in the bow, they also have a Rockford Fosgate stereo remote control. There's one also in the stern. This way, wherever you're hanging out, you can change the music without having to walk back to the helm and mess with it back there. As you see, you have this U-shaped seating. You can sit 4 or 5 people up here very comfortably. Windlass controls. Your anchor locker with your windlass down there, and there's a freshwater rinse, so you can wash that anchor locker down after you bring that anchor up in. So again, guys, this is Lars Pearson here. I'm on the new 38 GLS outboard we have at MarineMax here in Ship Bottom. Give us a shout, 609-207-2102. Thank you.